I'm scared that's gonna explode.
Have you not done this before?
No, because I'm always scared and I chicken out. Here, and now I have champagne.
You all know now that Chloe and Justin have been dating for a very long time. They were 15 when they started dating.
But you know what? The power of that first love is like a palpable power. And when you have it, it transcends all time.
'Cause you're giving me love, baby. It's alright. What if you got me? 'Cause you're giving me love, baby. It's alright. What if you got me? And you're giving me love, baby. It's alright. What if you gotta lose? Your love makes me dizzy every time you're with me. The room we're in starts spinning and I can't see the floor from the ceiling, giving me this feeling that even though I'm reeling, it's clear to me.
Chloe, the day I first met you, when we were 15, I promised myself I would date you, or at least try. And now 10 years later, I'm standing here before you, promising my commitment to us for life.
Don't you know you're so lyrical? You're the words of every song. Every step with you's a miracle. Looking back to where we come from.
Justin? You are my best friend, the bright spot in all of my days, and I'm so thankful I get to live life with you. From the adventures to the lazy Sundays. I love the way you know when I need a pep talk and a push and when I just need a hug. How you turn up the music so we can get hyped to 3090. And my favorite coffee will always be Justino's.
Your love makes me dizzy every time you're with me. The room we're in starts spinning and I can't see the floor from the ceiling, giving me this feeling. Even though I'm reeling, it's clear to me. Your love makes me dizzy.
Through that time, we've faced numerous trials and tribulations together, from tackling high school drama, university challenges, to moving across the coast to another country. Every single occasion, as individuals, as a couple, we built our bond stronger.
The moment I met you, your energy drew me in, and I'm so glad that you're still the same goofy boy I met over 10 years ago. Well, thankful you've grown into the amazing man that I will call my husband. Together, we grew up and learned what it means to be in a relationship and to support each other. And I know that together we can face whatever our future holds. You push me to be a better person, convincing me I'm capable of more, and you shower me with so much love. There is never a doubt in my mind your love for me. I vow to always do the same for you. To be your cheerleader and biggest supporter, to lead with kindness, consideration, and respect, to be your forever adventure buddy, and always take the long way home. To prioritize our relationship through everything, whatever our future holds.
Your love, your love.
I love the way you smile in the rain. During the sunset, the way the orange glow falls on your face and makes your freckles shine. Your tenacious attitude and relentless planning. Your love to travel, explore, and try new things. Your competitiveness, intelligence, and how you know the exact right time to make cookies. Chloe, I love you with my whole heart. You're the light of my day and the warmth in the evening.
I only want the best for it. I want the best, I only want the best for it. I want the best, I only want the best for it. I want the best, I only want the best for it. I want the best, I only want the best for it. I want the best, I only want the best for it.
I promise to approach our problems with an optimistic attitude and do my best to put aside stubbornness and recognize when I am wrong and apologize. To listen, however, I may have to ask you to repeat yourself a second or third time. To love you unconditionally, be kind, caring, and supportive of your goals, and to cherish you for as long as we live.
I vow to be there for you always, head scratches and haircuts included. Justin, I love you and vow to forever.
I only want the best for you.